Hi, my name is Natalie Tucker. Thanks for watching today. I'm going to talk about some issues I perceive with Microsoft Word. So the main issue that I want to talk about is this header bar here. It has a lot of very useful tools, but they are kind of cluttered and it can be hard to find what you're looking for. Some of these tools, I don't really understand why they would necessarily need to be in the basis header bar. For example, alphabetizing seems like kind of a niche thing to need to do. And then this one, I'm not sure that I would expect a layperson to really understand why or how to use this. And then there's these ones with the little subscripts that I don't think are very commonly used by a layperson, so I would personally expect to see those in a more specific menu, which they do have these specified menus: insert, design, layout, references, etc. But these are also pretty cluttered, and it can make it difficult to find the tool you're looking for. So the main thing that I was trying to do that led me to discovering this issue is to change the margins in my document, which is task 6 in my test. So I noted that in Google Docs, you can simply drag the margins and change them that way, which is very easy and fast, and it's easy to make it look exactly how you want it to look. But in Word, you have to find a menu and type in the size of the margins. You have to figure out where this menu is before you can even start to edit your margins. Now let me just try to find it and show you, because I don't remember exactly where it is. So it's not an insert, I don't think. It might be in design or layout. No, it's not in design. Layout, let's see if I can find it. We have index, oh here it is, margins. Okay. So you can choose from one of these margins, which is great, or you can do custom margins where you have to type it in. Now, I have a problem with having to type it in because you don't know exactly what it's going to look like until it goes through, and I see that as an issue, especially compared to Google Docs where you can just easily drag and drop. But my main issue here is that it's just kind of hard to find what you're looking for. This can be kind of overwhelming because there's a lot going on. And again, with this, I don't quite see the need to have all of these headers visible. I think maybe it could be improved if they had one in each category, or like let you choose your favorites and have those ones bookmarked and have the rest in a drop-down menu. I do think it's great that they have all of these pre-made headers, but their usefulness is kind of downplayed because of the clutter of this toolbar. And as you can see, all the toolbars have a lot going on, which can definitely make it difficult to find what you're looking for. Thank you for listening. I hope this was helpful.